Come test drive the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.